Hey, it's Austin Glass, your Houston real estate agent. I am here in Pinehurst, Texas, visiting the Woodtrace community, specifically Drees Builders. So they have one home left in the 75-foot section, happens to be a single-story ranch-style home. Break down all of the specifics, bed, bath, square footage count, and then do a simple walkthrough of the property as if you were here yourself taking a tour. No crazy editing, just a simple tour. Keep in mind, this home is still under construction. It is going to be a little messy, dirty. There's touch-up work that needs to be done, but that's part of buying new construction. So make sure you subscribe. These are time sensitive on any of the homes, especially that are a quick move-in. There are only 8 homes left in total, and the rest of those are in the 65-foot section. So go ahead and tour those. Make sure you subscribe, check out the channel. If you want any specifics of the pricing for this property, you can text or call me. You can find that information down in the description of this video. So let's take a tour. Keep in mind during the tour that this home is still under construction. It's one of the last homes Drees is finishing, so they have their crews working as fast as possible to get the home done on schedule. So all that mud that's on the stone can be pressure washed off, and they will end up doing that before move-in. So enjoy the tour. Make sure you take note of super high ceilings. This is a single story. It is the last single story, if I'm not mistaken. All the rest are 2 stories, like the Brookdale that's around the corner from this one. This home's location is awesome for going out and taking a walk through the forest, because there's an entrance that leads through the forest trails on the cul-de-sac kind of out to the right of this house. And then also at the end, this home sits on a cul-de-sac. It's kind of at the midway point on that street. And at the end of that, there's another entrance that goes into the forest. So you have upgraded finishes throughout this home. And you'll notice that, or you might notice that behind this house is actually the Brookdale that we toured yesterday. So enjoy the tour, and let me know if you have any questions. You can call or text me.